let's look at a way that we can utilize YouTube's video into our personal website. So we can do what's called embedding a video. So let's just dive in. It's super easy. Here's my index page, very complicated code as you can see, and I would like to have this funny video on my web page. So I'm going to utilize YouTube's server space. So it's all the large file is on YouTube server, but I want it to make it look like it's my video. So here's what I'm going to do. Here's the video I want to share. And so, okay, well, let's click on share. And in one of these choices in share, you're going to see embed. So I'm going to click on embed. And from there, it's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to, this gives you some more options. So I'd give you, you can decide what you want to do there. That's pretty straightforward. But the main thing is I'm going to take all of this code that says iframe. And iframe is just an HTML tag that allows us to embed content from another source. So I'm going to copy that code and I'm going to paste it into my web page. So that seems pretty straightforward. And you can see that there's some extra attributes that you can look up and perhaps play with at another time. That's pretty straightforward. But the most important thing for this video is I want to demonstrate that if I now, after putting that copied link into my, or copied iframe into my web page, now let's look at the web page and see what happens. So there it is. There's my web page, and I can play it as if it's my own. Obviously, there's a link to YouTube, but that's okay. And then I'm going to also notice that there's a width and a height, so you can alter these. So maybe I only want this to be 300, and I'm going to leave height by itself. And YouTube, the YouTube application, will be smart enough to make that alteration in proportion, so I don't have to worry about that if I don't want to. So now I'm going to reload, and I should see that it's now 300. I could change it if I want to, so I can say height equals, I don't know, something like 500, and let's just see what happens. Oh, that's not done well at all. Equals 500, and let's try that and see what happens. So I'm going to save that, refresh it, and you can see that it, oh, you have to spell height correctly. What a concept. All right, so now let's try it again. And there it is. So that looks pretty silly, but you can do it. So pretty straightforward. It's really easy to embed a video from YouTube into your web page and make it look like it's your own.